so much for being here and watching. Today we're opening up the June Rose War Panty Power Box, or RWPP, whatever you prefer. That's what it looks like. So before we get started, I just want to say hi. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Kitty. I do unboxings every single day here on our channel. If you love subscription boxes, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean the world to me. We recently hit 9,000 subscribers, and as a big thank you to you guys, I am hosting a self-care giveaway, and that ends in about a week and a half or so. So if you guys have not yet entered, I will link a thumbnail or card at the end of this video. But yeah, let's get started. So Rose War Panty Power is a period subscription, but it's pretty unique because you don't only get period products, you also get a bunch of other items like beauty items, some snacks, as well as 2 pairs of panties every single month. So when you subscribe, you let them know your size and your preferences, and yeah, it's pretty freaking awesome. So let's get this open. I will leave the link down below. When I open it up, this is what I see. So there's a card here, and then look how cute that tissue paper is. I need to try and save that. There's a little sticker holding it, but adorable. So welcome to the June box full of joy. So cute. Now on the inside, it says what's inside this month's box. So you get 100% organic period products, 15 total valued at $7, 2 undies that range from $8 to $25, and along with 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen gifts from below. So based on when you sign up and your preferences, they choose the items on that and they'll check it off, and there's pricing information there, which I love. I absolutely love that they include organic tampon products or period products because that's all I use. So I think that is incredible. Well, yeah, let's get started. The very first thing on top is a face mask. It's the aloe vera face mask. It says this is calming and soothing. And this is by Look at Me. And it's made from Tencel, which is a comfortable, smooth, and soft surface that allows for maximum and effective absorption and benefits. Natural aloe leaf extract gives skin a healthy, radiant glow. It calms and soothes the discomfort associated with dry, irritated skin and leaves it feeling soft and moist all day. I think it's great they included it in the June box because it's getting warmer, the sun's out, we're more likely to get a little burn, even though you should be wearing your SPF every single day, but I know it can still happen, so this will be very useful for those times. So this has a retail value of $3. Ooh, and then I see some snacks. Yum. I say this all the time, but I film before I eat, usually like earlier in the day, and I'm hungry. But these are some Cheez-Its, and they're the Scrabble Junior ones. So there's little letters on the Cheez-Its, so if you do have little ones, or maybe you just want to do it yourself, you can put together some words. And then we have a Cliff Kid Z-Bar, and this is in chocolate chip. This is organic. Chocolate chip, that sounds really good. Next up, it looks like we have a little set here. There's tea and then what looks like a diffuser. That's nice they include that too. So let's get it out. So the tea we received is by Rachel Maid, and this is chamomile organic loose tea. This is caffeine free, and it says fill infuser with 1 teaspoon of tea to 8 ounces of water and steep 3 to 5 minutes. And chamomile is great to drink before bed. I will definitely be using this. And this tea set, the Rachel Maid Organic Loose Leaf and Steeper set, is $16. So let me show you what the little steeper looks like. Oh, this is super cool. So it has a little attachment here, so you can just put it right into the tea and then like have this over the cup so you can remove it easily, if you know what I mean. So I love the blue color. You just take this off and fill the tea in there, and then you can place it easily back on. Super convenient. I know not everyone has things like that, so I think it's great they include it with the loose leaf tea. Yay, a candle! I absolutely love getting candles so much. This is the Cactus and Sea Salt Live Young Candle Co. This is hand poured in Maryland, and it's made out of 100% soy wax, so this is what the label looks like. This candle has a retail value of $10. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh my god, it's like It definitely has like what I've smelled other like cactus scents. I've never actually like smelt a cactus now that I think about it. But I do like the scents. So you can just pretend, take a whiff. Love it. Love getting candles. I fly through them because I always have one burning. I love them so much. Next up, we have something here by Xeon Health, Ancient Clay. Oh, I love Xeon Health. I've talked about them before because their natural deodorant is the only natural deodorant that's ever worked for me and not irritating my skin and keeps me smelling good, not bad. If I can remember, I'm gonna link that down below. But this is their Ancient Clay Pigment Lightening Cream. This is natural and it's supposed to diminish sun and age spots. So again, this is a great thing to get in the summer months. Because I know a lot of people, they do get sun and age spots, and sometimes they even just get like some hyperpigmentation after they have some acne, especially people with darker skin tones. I almost use like the Fitzpatrick scale. Like, who am I? I'm like so into skincare, but like Fitzpatrick skin types like 3 through 6 especially. But this is great. So it says, suggested usage, apply a thin layer on spot area each evening. To balance treatment, avoid heavy sun exposure. Yep, avoiding the sun is the #1 way to like avoid getting sunspots, but sometimes you still get them even if you wear your SPF. Again, you should be wearing it every day. So you just, put it use it as a spot treatment at night. And there's 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters in here. So since this is a spot treatment, this will last a long time. And this has a retail value of $30. And again, this is what it looks like. Oh, we have some other little candies here. I had one of these last night. It was like my dessert. I'm trying to be healthier again, like starting last night. But these are little coffee candies, or hard candies that taste like coffee. They're by Copico, and I love these. They're really good. Every month we get some wipes for down there, and they're by a brand called Eurovagenius, and I absolutely love their name. So these are just convenient little wipes you can put in your purse. They're down there wipes, they call it, and one's in shea cocoa and the other's in rose water. These are biodegradable, hypoallergenic, and flushable wipes. And then here are period products. We have a mix between regular and super organic tampons, and we have varying absorbencies of the organic pads as well. And then last but not least, we have our panties. So let me get these out. Oh, little Emmy's underneath my desk. She's so cute. Ooh, I love how these look. So we have one that's like a total boy short, and then it looks like we have a thong. Sorry, I don't know if I showed those very well, but let's start with the thong. Very fun colors. So I love this kind of thong because this tends to not show underneath clothing, and look how pretty these colors are. Orange, blue, and a white stripe. And then here is the back, so comfortable and shouldn't show. Sometimes when there's like smaller strings or like different material, it could show underneath your dress or whatever you're wearing, but these styles do not. And then the next pair are some boy shorts. These look super comfortable. So these seem so nice. So there's got some little lace on the end. So these ones are, this pair is by Vision Intimates. And did I say what the other ones? I'm not sure the brand of the other, but I like both of these so much, and they're totally different. Like, I'll probably wear these like when I'm lounging around at home, and these might go out like for the purpose of not having my underwear show under my clothes, like I said. But yeah, these seem so comfy. I can't wait to get some use out of these. I think this was a great month. I think they did a good job, like with the theme. I'm not even sure there's an exact theme, but they included items that are good for summer, like this pigment lightening cream. The candle is definitely scented for like warmer months, I would think. Definitely reminds me of that. We have chamomile tea, which will help me sleep. I'm gonna try and lay off wine a lot lately. I don't know why I'm telling you that, but aloe face mask. Our period products, of course, are great. The undies are great. We got some yummy snacks. I love getting this box. It's always so fun to open. It really does make that time of the month better. So yeah, I am going to link them down below. I believe I have a promo code too. It's not like a affiliate code, but I found it a while ago, and I think it saves you like $5 or something like that. So if that still works, which hopefully it does, I will leave that down below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing this with me. Again, I would love to hear your thoughts down below. And if you have not entered, definitely make sure to enter my 9 9,000 subscriber giveaway that ends in like a week and a half or so. Yeah, I hope you guys are all safe and healthy. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.